My name is Mufaro. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Midland Central Province, in Bethel Miracle Center in Redcliffe. Today I'm going to recite my memory chapter from Psalms 113 and 114. Praise the Lord. Yes, give him praise. Oh, sons of the Lord, praise the name of the Lord. Blessed be the name of the Lord from now and forever. Everywhere, from east to west, praise the name of the Lord. For the Lord is high above the nations. His glory is higher than the heavens. Who can be compared with Lord our God, who is enthroned above? He stoops and looks down the heaven and the earth. He lifts the poor from the dust and the needy from the rubbish dump. He set among princes, even princes of his own people. He gives childless woman a family, making her a happy mother. Chapter 114. When the Israelites are scared from Egypt, when the family of Jacob left that foreign land, the land of Judah became God's sanctuary, and Israel became his kingdom. The Red Sea saw them coming and hurried out of their way. The water of River Jordan turned away. The mountains skipped like rams, the hills like lambs. What's wrong, Red Sea, that made you hurried out of their way? What happened, River Jordan, that made you turned away? Why, mountain, did you skip like rams? Why hills like lambs? Tremble, all earth at the presence of the God. All earth at the presence of the God of Jacob. He turned a rock into a pool of water. Yes, a spring of water flowed from a solid rock. Thank you.